Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving review the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F has arrived, setting a new standard in motocross performance. With improved power, handling, and rider comfort, this machine is built for serious riders who demand championship-level performance. Engine and performance. At its heart is a 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine with a high 13:1 compression ratio. The fuel-injected system with a 44mm Mikuni throttled body delivers smooth yet explosive power. A 5-speed gearbox and electric start make it race-ready while staying easy to manage. Frame and suspension. Yamaha uses a lightweight aluminum bilateral beam frame for strength and agility. The 48mm KYB speed-sensitive fork and the fully adjustable KYB rear shock have been retuned for 2025 with softer springs and new linkage. These updates give riders better traction, control, and comfort on any track. Wheels and tires. The bike runs on a 21-inch front and 19-inch rear wheel setup, fitted with Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires. With over 12 inches of suspension travel, a tall 38-inch seat height, and nearly 14 inches of ground clearance, this machine dominates rough terrain and big jumps with ease. 2025 updates. For 2025, Yamaha redesigned the engine mount, refined the fork damping, and reshaped the foot peg brackets for better rider ergonomics. The throttle housing has been moved outward for added comfort, and the handlebar switches have been recessed for safety and durability. Final words. At just 240 pounds wet weight and a 1.6-gallon fuel tank, the YZ450F is lightweight, powerful, and perfectly balanced. The 2025 model proves once again why Yamaha continues to lead the motocross world. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.